Hi, I just want to make a quick video to share with you something that happened to me tonight. I went over and I had an email that said, uh, congratulate Michael van der Schut for his work anniversary. Well, I worked with Michael with Shell Oil, so this is over a decade ago. So I clicked, yep, there he is on LinkedIn, highly professional, good photograph, nice graphic here. He gives a good business description of what he does. So I clicked on contact information, and there it was. I connected with him in 2013 on LinkedIn. I looked up the company to find out that it was a holding company and a consulting firm. And it fit into what Michael did because he was global lead for Shell chemical manufacturing for quite a few years, around a decade. So I sent him a congrats. Now I want to tell you a story about Michael. I was trying to stay with his organization, and I went in to talk to him when he came from the Netherlands, and he was giving me advice. But what I didn't know is what he already knew. They were forcing him to retire, and it was announced the next day. What a nice guy, still trying to counsel the young professional, trying to be up and coming, knowing that his own days were numbered. Well, I hope this gives you some ideas about the power of LinkedIn.